All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So I got the Lilac Galaxy S9 I'm going to unbox for you. I went into T-Mobile and grabbed this one. Decided to just go ahead and get the lilac color. It's a nice color. Everybody says it's nice. I thought, okay, it's nice. So I'll grab me one and start using this. So again, this is just an unboxing. So let's crack it open. Really, we're just looking at the color here. Really, that's really what we're getting into, is looking at the color. Because the color is unique. So this side. Oh yes. Let's peel this off. Get this ugly sticker off the back. Boom. There it is. This color is pretty nice in person. Actually, just when you play with a phone at the store, it's different. You know, you bring it home. But this color is actually pretty cool, man. I mean, you put a case on phones anyway, so. But this color is really, really nice. Wow. It looks good. So same setup, I guess. This is an unboxing. You know what you get in the box. But this is the same setup as my other Galaxy S9. Just a different color. This color is nice, though. I got to give it up. I'm not going to front. This is a video solely about the color of the phone. It doesn't look as feminine as I thought it would, because actually I know a lot of guys, I don't know them personally, but there's a lot of guys that actually bought the Lilac, and I thought, man, they got the Lilac. But I got to give it up. Still getting a great phone, and you're getting a nice color. It's a very different color. It's super different in person, so keep that in mind. I would definitely go in the store and take a look at it before you decide. I'm just going to grab that. But you know what, though? Look. I'm just putting a case on it, so it really doesn't matter. Really, all I want is just the S9 itself. But I had to unbox this color right here, man, because I'm gonna start using this. I actually put another line on my account, so I needed another one anyway. So I went on ahead and got something I didn't have. Yeah, this is nice, man. What do y'all think about this color? What do you think about it? Isn't it nice? It almost looks different in different settings. The color looks a little different. I like the flat sides on here that they chose to do it a matte color, but just a real quick couple of minute unboxing video of the Lilac purple Galaxy S9. All right, guys, see you in the next one.